Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at a Raptor 2 from Magnum. This is for Kimberly in Ohio and it's a tune-up report. Kimberly, on this watt meter over here we have 10 watts across the top scale. I have the radio in low power coming up 4.5, almost 5 watts in low. And then the peak power, let me take this out, put in a 50 watt scale right there in the middle. Audio check, 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1 2. So you got 4 swinging 30 in low power. And then in high power we're going to take this scale and put it to 10, 20, 30 here on the bottom. I'm going to put both of these switches up. We got about 18 watts carrier there. 100 watts. So we're going to be seeing it around here about 80, 90 watts. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check, 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 check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. Okay.